This is a clarification video on your instructions for Tuesday, the 25th of August for 4th period honors EES. I made this video earlier today and the internet crashed and I lost it, so I'm making it again. If you are in our classroom in the classwork tab, you'll see the agenda. You'll also see the 2 activities that we did today. If you click on the first one, which is your Latin stems, you'll see the Latin stems list that looks like this. Your Latin stems list has 9 sections on it. Your quiz next Monday will just be on the first section, the first column, which is 1 through 25. I've given you the stem, its meaning, and a sample word that goes with it that you can practice with. I've also given you a video that shows you how to practice with this. And in the video, I've given you a sample quiz.
I'm going to show you today how to use your PSS.
And how you can use your Latin stems PSS list, which is your prefix, suffix, and stem list, to create definitions and match up definitions and actually use the Latin stems to help you understand what words mean that you might have never heard before. It's very, very useful in any science class if you're going to be in the medical field or if you're going to take the ACT or the SAT. Very, very useful. It's also a good thinking, thought process, higher level thinking skill. So going back to our Google Classroom, the other thing that you were assigned to do today was your pretest. I did give you the instructions on how to analyze your pretest, and I also gave you something that looked like this. This is an example report. This has your key on it and your answers. I sent this to everybody yesterday evening. I shared it with you on Google Classroom, through Google Classroom. And there's also a video of how to analyze your data right here so that you can understand how you did on the pretest. Remember, pretest is just to see where you start from. At the end, we'll take the test again and we'll compare how much you've grown. If we're going to add the pretest in with our learning styles, put those 2 concepts together right here for the beginning of our semester, that's what we're going to do tomorrow with our Jamboard and our partner as a warm-up. And then we'll get started on scientific method. So hopefully this clarifies what your instructions were for today and what you were supposed to get done for today and what we're doing tomorrow. If you have any questions, you can email me or hit me on the Remind app. Otherwise, I'll talk to you tomorrow in class.